what happened to my sprinkles? Oh, I found it. Everything's better with sprinkles, right? Look how fun that is. And you really just used 4 things. Even if you did these extra steps. It was pie dough, filling, some chocolate, and some sprinkles. We're gonna use Trader Joe's pie crust, Trader Joe's cookie butter, and this basically 2 ingredient Hamantaschen. Will they be as good as real Hamantaschen or like when you make dough? No, they're not going to. I'm not gonna lie, but they'll be pretty good. Should we make bigger ones or smaller ones?
Big.
Bigger the better. All right, so pie crust, cookie cutter. Probably get about 16 cookies. You also, to do this hack, in case this isn't abundantly obvious, like you do not have to use cookie butter. You could use any Trader Joe's filling that you like. You could use jam. You could use dulce de leche. I'm not really putting that much filling. I'm just gonna overemphasize this. It's not a lot of filling because you don't want it to spill. There's 2 methods of making Hamantaschen. One is the folding method, one is the pinching method. I'm a pincher. So I pinch up all 3 of the corners and I'm pinching them closer. There we go. If you're a folder, fold away. The last thing I'm gonna do before baking these is actually stick them into the fridge or the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes so they're nice and chilled and they will hold their shape better. All right, now they're nice and firm, chilled. How long do I bake this for?
15 minutes.
No, you don't know what you're talking about.
10 minutes.
Yeah, a little more like 10 minutes. These are really nice. I'm so happy. They look like, these do not look any different than like if you made your own dough. This looks to me like so nice. Okay, so these are gonna cool. What a nice hack. Okay, so you don't have to do this, but if you're like, oh, I have a little time, and then I'm gonna just like drizzle it on top. Like, I'm so fancy. And then I have these really fancy cookies that people will think you are one fancy bitch, and really you just didn't do anything. Because to me, they look like real cookies. Does it taste like a Hamantaschen?
No.
No. Oh,
It tastes like pie.
It tastes like pie.
It tastes good, but it tastes like pie. It's not like, doesn't have that Hamantaschen.
Yeah. But it's good. The pie crust is like not super sweet.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe with jelly.
No. That's not what I did though. I did cookie butter.
Okay.
So fun.